Alright, it's only one job today. I got a new bag, so we're gonna test this out, set it up. I'm gonna retire the bucket. Bye, Lucky. What y'all think? Looks professional now. No more bucket. It's been hard for me to get up and film and everything. So just want to say sorry about that. I know these videos are kind of all over the place. My next job isn't until 2, and it's 10:36 right now. Got some Burger King. I don't know, man. Burger King, I think it's pretty slept on. I don't really like eating their burgers per se, like their Whoppers and all that. I'm not like a huge fan. This is what I come here for. The original chicken sandwich. Never misses. Never misses. I swear, if it misses right now, bro, I'm gonna be so pissed. The streak continues. So juicy, bro. If you go and try this and it's ass, it's probably because your location's ass or something. There's no way. There's can't even speak. So good, man. I'm gonna finish up my sandwich and I'm gonna head to the shop, clean out my van. I know I said that bullshit in like the very first video about the cleaner the van, the worse the tech. Obviously not true. It's just like a little joke that they throw around here. But I don't know. I want to be more organized. I got my new bag. It's working out great. I love it so much. It's so easy to just put in all my stuff and just carry it around. I really like it. Super compact, and I just really love it. So after getting that, I've been like cleaning my house like so much lately, and like making sure it's like, oh, I'm on top of it. I want to do the same with my van. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna clean it out and see where it goes.
Obviously, like I said, I'm fighting in 9 days, so I'm kind of bouncing in and out.
Alrighty. I got this cool book from a customer. We were talking about boxing because I do boxing, and he loves the sport, and he just gave me this cool shadow boxing book. Alright, so got everything cleaned out as best as I could. It's got a little trash can right there. Check it out. I found this in the van. So I just got a cool camera for free. A lot of the filters, organized them, and it's looking like a work van now. All set. Got my tools. Can't believe it. And my filters. First thing I want to do is give it a good wash. It's right here for now. My little spray bottle right here. Some simple green. Just a little bit. There we go. I don't mind these attics just because they have enough room. There's a light up here. That's smart. It leads all the way down there. That's smart. Alright. I'm gonna turn the system on. The system was on. All I am doing now is taking a temporize. Put one already. Alright guys, looks like my GoPro died while I was filming in the attic, and it is what it is. So I just clocked out. It's the weekend, and yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all Monday, and yeah, take it easy. Peace out.